Ervin Comets came caroling to central office. It's part of a long tradition for Lubbock ISD students to share some holiday cheer with our administration. Choirs, bands, mariachi, and more perform for staff from the start of December through the end of the semester. Lubbock High School Orchestra hosted their holiday concert. It's a special performance for all those involved.
I think honestly, of all the concerts that we have, preparing for the Christmas concerts is probably one of my favorites because there's so many wonderful Christmas tunes, and of course Christmas music is some of the best music.
Carmona-Harrison Elementary welcomed families for a holiday meal. This event featured a performance by the Vaqueros Ballet Folklorico. The group is made up of 4th and 5th graders who just started this activity this semester. Congratulations to the winners of this year's Alliance Credit Union Christmas Cheer Contest. Alliance awarded one Lubbock ISD staff member with 1 month's car payment and another with 1 month's rent or mortgage payment.
We've had the best day ever. We've got to celebrate these wonderful educators and team members and hopefully brighten up some Christmas holidays.
Athletes from Atkins, Irons, and McKenzie Middle School, along with Coronado High School and our Vocational Transition Center, represented Lubbock ISD in the Area 17 Special Olympics bowling competition. Special Olympics works to provide participants with opportunities to develop physical fitness, demonstrate courage, and experience joy.
Oh, it's fire!
Kinder and first grade students at McWhorter Elementary learned about fire safety in a fun way. Lubbock Fire Rescue presented a play featuring some hilarious clowns to share some very helpful information.
Would you please push and hold that test button?
Ramirez Elementary cut the ribbon on the Rams' new book vending machine. Thanks to the support of the Harold and Eleanor Hoopman Foundation, Ramirez is the first in Lubbock ISD to have such a machine. They plan to use it to support student achievement.
It was really cool seeing all the new books that was in it.
I think that it's really nice because our students, they get to get rewarded for their good behavior.
And South Plains College made a special presentation to our health science students at the Byron Martin Advanced Technology Center. SPC's Surgical Tech program presented information about their courses and then led hands-on activities including organ recognition, cauterization, and bone plating.
I think it's important because it helps us know what we want to do from a younger age, so then we get more immersed in what we want to do.
Now you're in the loop with Lubbock ISD.